Hello, what's up guys? Today I have come up with another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to download Need for Speed Most Wanted free and easy steps. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta on your internet browser, whichever you have, and then you're gonna type black mart. Oh sorry, writing mistake. Afterwards you're gonna go downwards and you're gonna click over here and it's gonna start downloading. Once has downloaded, then you're gonna go to my files, back, internal storage, SD card, and over here, internal storage, and scroll down to downloads, and over here the black mart app is, and then you're simply gonna install it by clicking over here. Afterwards, when it has been installed, you're gonna go in it and we're gonna type Need for Speed Most Wanted, and it's gonna open up, and we're gonna install the 1.1.2 version as it is the latest and it is also stable. I have already installed, but I can still show you. Over here it's an install button, there will be same install button, and maybe no, yep, there's an install button, and then we will open it. Afterwards it will ask for Wi-Fi connection or 4G to download the size of this, so I will get back to you after downloading this. Okay guys, it has been a while and it has been downloaded. Okay, now I'm gonna open it, and okay, so it has started, and I have done some of the profile. Actually, I have lied. I have downloaded it from the start, but I have replaced the files and I have put them in after installing. So like, yeah, but same process. It is pretty smooth. I'm speaking, and I can show how to play. Okay guys, so let's get started. Now I'm gonna show you how to play this game. Right, and press on the left corner to brake or drift. 1 second, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, there's drift. Okay, as you see, I've achieved gold medal in it. So yeah, that's it. I will give the link of the this link in the description below. Okay, bye guys. Oh sorry, I forgot to turn it off.